mixed with water, and it should have the consistency of gravy. It should not be thick like pudding, and it should not be too thin like watery soup. And all you do is mix the powdered clay little by little into the water. So this is the container I'm going to keep, and this is water. So I'm going to add about, I would say there's probably about half a cup of water, maybe less. If you get it too watery, the only problem is you'll have to go back later and, well, just leave it open so it dries out. Try not to breathe too much of that dust. So I poured probably half of it in there. So it's thickening up a little bit. So I'm going to tell you right now, next time, or when you get to do this, add a whole lot less. Is that the bell? No, that's the, you don't leave till 32, right? Yeah, I think that was the lunch bell for the other people. Hold on, I'm going to put this down. So, what other ways can you mix the clay, since your mom's not going to let you use a whisk? Who wants to speak? A what? A spoon? That could work. I don't know if it will be as better. A what? A popsicle stick? What else? Someone else? Come on, don't be shy. What else? How about a fork? A plastic fork. Then you can throw it away and your mom won't get mad at you. So, oh, here we got the gravy. The gravy's going. This is going to be so perfect. So, less than half a cup is more than enough. This is perfect. And I'm going to do it until all the little cottage cheesy chunky parts go away. So that's how you make slip. What's the consistency, Aurora? Aurora Jackson, what's the consistency? Okay, she's not there. How about Voldemort? What's the consistency?
It's I was gonna say, I don't know how to explain it.
All right, somebody say it.